Hello viewers, welcome back to Electronics Hub in this 18th video of this series. So in this video we will study about the clock. Let's say this is our clock. Okay, now what we'll require is 5 buttons. This is center OK button, up, right, down and left. We'll just name them. Along with that we'll have two separate displays. If you want you can do this with one as well. Okay. So in the second display what we'll do is we will write first the day, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, whatever. Then we will write date. Let's say 9/3 and 2016. Then in upper LCD we'll write hour, minute and seconds. You can use RTC for this for calculating time. First we will set using this. Then after that for finding the day for entered date there is a separate algorithm of calendar. If you want you can find by finding offsets like century offset, year offset, month offset and day offset. You can determine what is the day at given date. Now we can provide facilities like alarm. We'll place a speaker. We can save the code in microcontroller and use it as alarm. And along with that if you want, suppose your bed is at east side, you are having one window there, then you can connect this circuit to that window in such a way that when the alarm rings at morning, at that time the window will automatically open so that you'll get cold breeze and you'll wake up. So yeah, that's it from this video. If you like the video then hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in next one.